Okay, without returns a copy of the array with all the instances of the values removed. So you pass it an array and just pass as much as you want arguments, and if every value from this array that matches one of the arguments will be removed. So 0 and 1 will be removed from this array, and we will end up with 2, 3, 4. I have their example here, and if you did not pass anything for the values, it will just return the whole array. So how they do this, so all the arguments you passes after the first one, all of them will be referenced from this variable called values. So you can do this with the arguments, with the spread operator in JavaScript. So const, I will show it to you. So yeah, const without 2 will be equal to a function that accepts the list. Now all the arguments you pass to this function after the list, all of them will be put inside this array called values, like this. And now what I need to do, I need to create a set out of the values. Now I will just return the list.filter for each element. If this element does not exist in the set, just return it. That's it. And I can use the same example. And that's it. So yeah, I think this is a good example for sets and this spread operator.